Hi, my name's Dan Bork. I'm the CTO at IPWe, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our new platform, which is blockchain-enabled patent transactions. So patents are a critically important asset class that takes billions of dollars of investment in research in order to acquire. Yet, the patent asset class is one of the most illiquid classes of an asset. It's estimated that there's only 2% of the world's patents that are actually transacted, to the tune of about $180 billion, but it's only 2% of the world's transactions. So we've developed a novel platform that's based on our patent expertise as well as artificial intelligence and predictive analytics in order to enable this particular platform. So how are we going to do it? We're going to answer three fundamental questions that may seem simplistic on paper, but in the archaic world of patents have not been solved. So the first is the IPWe registry. So we're going to help you know if there's a patent and who owns that patent. Second, through Zeus Analytics, which we will let you know what the patent covers. And finally, through the IPWe platform, what the patent's worth. So we're going to try to facilitate traditional patent transactions, but we also think that our platform will enable a bunch of new transactions that weren't able before the platform was created. We've assembled a great team of some of the top IP professionals in the world, as well as some of the top researchers and practitioners of predictive analytics and data mining. So let's dive into the problem a little bit deeper. So currently, there exists no centralized database of who owns patents in the world. And to make matters more complicated, there's 190 different patent offices. They all have different procedures, they all have different data, they all have different rules. So to find out who owns a patent right now, it's an extremely expensive and complicated process. What's more is that if you want to try to value that patent, it's also complex and expensive. As a matter of fact, in order to get the price on a patent, there's no consensus as to how much that patent is worth. Many times, it's found out through litigation. So what we want to do is make the entire marketplace more transparent for this asset class. So what's the scope? The scope is rather large, but we think that by targeting the primary players first, the innovators, the regulators, and the patent owners, we can then release all of the different transactions that we can do in this particular marketplace and make a lot of new transactions available in the patent ecosystem. So what do we have done today? We have the IPWe registry that's available today. It covers about 80% of the patent owners in the world. And in addition, we are working with patent owners to create an IPWe verified patent owner on the blockchain within that contract. Second, Zeus Analytics. That's available today as well. So Zeus Analytics is actually not new. We've been developing for the last 10 years. We feel that we probably have one of the largest intellectual property databases in the world. We have over 150 million patents in that database, as well as millions of non-patent literature that describes technologies. And then coming in the second quarter will be the IPWe token. So we think there's a number of compelling use cases that we can use for an IPWe token. So that'll be made available through a compliant registered offerings in the US and in the EU. And we will always continue to invest in our technology. So how is this going to change the market? So first of all, selling services around patents is going to be a dead model. We are going to give away the analytics so we can get a level playing field and a transparency within the patent market. Second, we're going to create new models to use within the market. So things like crowdfunding of patents and applications. There's different financing opportunities that we can have on portfolios, different insurance products that might be able to be created. There's new analytic innovations that we can take. So the arbitrage that currently exists in the patent marketplace that promotes patent trolls, that promotes efficient infringement and litigation, by making this whole marketplace more transparent so people know that a good patent is a good patent and what that patent transacted for, we can finally put a price on that particular commodity that anyone can understand. So we think this is a very transformational period right now in the patent marketplace, and through our deep understanding of patents, through artificial intelligence and predictive analytics, we feel that we are going to lead the way in this particular marketplace. If you want some more information about the team, you can visit our website at IPWe.com and see all of the key members that are in the thing. And thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of the conference.